I'm Rick Potter. Welcome back to my channel. Let's learn Final Cut Pro X. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to blur a background for beginners. This is going to be an easy to follow step-by-step tutorial. If you have Final Cut Pro X downloaded and installed, follow along with me. By the end of the tutorial, you'll have the blurred background effect that has become the mainstream in YouTube video production. If you make a mistake during the process, just pause this video and click File and Undo in the toolbar. All right, let's get started. If you make a mistake during the process, just press this video. If you make a mistake during the process, just press pause.
Here we are in the FCPX editing program. First, drag your background along the main timeline below. Then drag your green screen clip directly above it. Resize them so they're exactly the same length. When that's finished, to the right of your clips, click the Folder in Folder icon. It's the second from the far right. Scroll down to Keying and drag Keyer onto the top of your green screen clip. Click that click one time so this appears next to the browser, the effects panel. Make any adjustments you need. Now let's move straight down to the other effects panel, next to the timeline. Scroll to Blur and add Gaussian to your bottom background clip. Click that clip one time to bring up another effects panel that says Gaussian. Go ahead and adjust the amount of blur you want. Experiment with the other adjustments. Just press Edit and Undo in the toolbar if you don't like the result.